22,991 tourists attended the Cherry Blossom Festival 2023. B, sir, same as at A above. C, the total number of tourists in premium category accommodation was 1,269, including Vivanta, Marriott, and Rikanjai. Number of tourists in mid-range hotels was 15,205, including Tripura Castle, Poini Suk, M Crown, etc. Number of tourists in homestays and guest houses, 6,517. D, sir, the total tax revenue generated for all hotels in the state for November 2023 was 1.44 crore. E, the comparative tax revenue figure for the earlier month of October amounts to rupees 1.36 crore.
Adelbert, please. Honorable Minister, thank you for your replies. Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to get a clarification. As you have seen the replies to B, sir name us at A above. So I would like to get a specific clarification in regards with the question to 2. I'm asking the total number of these tourists who are high value tourists. So in the answer to B, it been mentioned to relate with the answer A. So will you please give clarification whether all these are high value tourists? Or
yes, sir, as per the tourism policy of the government of Meghalaya, where the stress is on high value and low volume tourism, these visitors, these tourists, are considered high value tourists for the simple reason that they all had stayed over, including in premium category accommodations, mid-range hotels, homestays and guest houses. There were visitors who were part of the Cherry Blossom Festival who had come for the day and went back the same day. So they were not regarded as high-value tourists. Those who stayed over for 2-3 days or even more come under the category of high-value tourists.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Through you again, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would also like to get more clarification. Since I'm scared, as everyone knows, the fact the disguised activities in the name of tourists, maybe they may convert later to tourists. So because of that, I just like to get more clarification in answer to D. Sir, the total tax revenue generated for all hotels, you have stated as it is. So when asked to C, the answer is the data is not available with the department. So may I know from Honorable Minister who is responsible for collecting the data and all information?
Sir, with due respect to the Honorable Member, my answer to C was very clear, where I had stated the number of tourists. 1,269 stayed at Vivanta, Marriott and Rikanjai, etc. 15,205 stayed at Tripura Castle, Poini Suk, M Crown, etc. 6,517 stayed at homestays and guest houses. So.
Another supplementary deputies, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to get a clarification. May I know from the Honorable Minister what is the total turnout, profit of this particular events.
Particular turnout of